Hello KG2. Today we're learning about the letter I.
Sounds I and I. Now remember to write your names on top. Alright, let's look at the first word, the first picture. Iguana. Let's circle that because it starts with the sound I, which is the letter I sound. Iguana. Next we have axe with the sound axe. So no, we're not going to circle it. Next, inch. Inch. That's how we measure things. It's a type of measurement. So inch. It starts with the sound I. So let's circle inch. Next, insect. I sound. So yes, we're going to circle it. Apple. Apple. So no circling. Very good. Next we have igloo. Igloo. So let's circle the igloo. Well done. On this page, darlings, we're going to spell the sounds of the words and find the middle sounds. What we have to do is find the short I sound I in the middle, and then we color those pictures. Not the first sound, the middle. We already have done this for letter A, so let's try that again. The first one, cap. So let's write K, A, P, cap. Now what's in the middle? Letter A with the sound A. So do we color the cap? No, we won't color that. Next, web. Now let's write that. Eb. That's letter E. So we cannot color the web also. Okay. Now remember, we're looking for letter I sound, which is I. Alright, let's keep writing. 6. S, I, X. Now I see the letter I and hear it as well. S, I, X. Now let's color the fish with the letter I sound in the middle, which is number 6. So let's color this fish, everyone. Very good. Now remember to color it very neatly, okay? Alright, so the next picture is lip. Let's spell that. L, I, P. Lip. Do you see the letter I and hear it? Let's spell that again. L, I, P. Lip. Alright. Now, we do see the letter I, right? So we are going to color the lip. Let's do that, darlings, okay? Let's color the lip. Here we go. Alright, remember to color it very neatly. Okay, the next picture, we have pin. Now, let's spell it first. P, I, N. Pin. Now, what's the middle sound? We're looking for the middle sound, which has the letter I. Look, in the middle. Let's spell that again and listen to the sound very carefully. P, I, N, pin. Very good, darlings. So let's color the fish with the pin inside it. Well done, darlings. Next, we have milk. Let's spell that. I, L, K. Milk. Wow. Do you see the letter I, short I sound as well? Let's see again. I, L, K. Milk. Yes, we do have the letter I in the middle. So what should we do now? Let's color the fish with milk. Alright? So let's do that, everyone. Well done. Let's say the words again. 6, lip, pin, and milk. Well done.